Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Pinataob ng Barangay Ginebra sa PBA Finals Game 5 ang TNT Tropang Giga 73-66. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Scottie Thompson sa likod ng kanang 16 points, 10 rebounds, 5 assists, 2 steals at 1 block. Top performer naman ng TNT Tropang Giga si Ray ng Batak sa likod ng kanang 19 points, 2 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 steal. Nagtala si Justin Brownlee ng 18 points, 14 rebounds, 5 assists at 1 steal. Japit Aguilar 11 points, 3 rebounds, 1 assist. Rosario 6 points, 4 rebounds, 1 assist. Holt 3 points, 6 rebounds, 2 assists. Thompson 16 points, 10 rebounds, 5 assists, 2 steals at 1 block. Nag-ambag naman si Ahan Misi ng 11 points, 4 rebounds, 1 assist. Malonzo 6 points, 10 rebounds, 2 blocks. Abarientos 2 points, 2 assists. Tenorio 1 rebound, 1 assist. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Para naman sa natalong TNT Tropang Giga, Hollis Jefferson 19 points, 12 rebounds, 3 assists, 2 steals at 1 block. Oftana 8 points, 3 rebounds, 8 assists. Pugoy 8 points, 2 rebounds, 3 steals. Eram 4 points, 6 rebounds, 1 steal at 1 block. Heruela 1 rebound. Nag-ambag naman si Nambatak ng 19 points, 2 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 steal. Auren 8 points, 2 rebounds, 1 assist. Kelly Williams 8 rebounds, 2 assists. Eximiniano 1 rebound. Cobonten 0 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng PBA Finals as of March 23, 2025. Lamang na sa series ang Barangay Ginebra sa kartadang 3-2 kontra sa TNT Tropang Giga. Heto ang PBA Finals Game 6 schedule ngayong March 26, 2025 na gaganapin sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Maglalaban ang Barangay Ginebra at TNT Tropang Giga alas 7:30 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.